Guys, good morning. Kami po ay pupunta ngayon sa recognition Ate Chloe. Ayan, may makukuha siyang award kaya pupunta po kami. Maaga kami ngayon kasi 7 yung start. Dapat 6:30 andun na kami. So, see you later. Guys, kararating lang po namin. Wala pa masyadong mga estudyante dito. Ate Chloe! Mamayang 7 pa daw yung start niya.
Klase niya si Glenda.
Saan? Saan ka klase niya? Wala naman. Walang award.
Another reminder, please be responsible for your personal belongings at all times. Thank you.
Doon sa harap si Ate Chloe. Anong oras na? 7. Oh, mag-start na.
Yung ating awardees and parents po na nasa entrance, proceed po tayo sa ating advisor para alam po natin kung saan tayo dito. Maraming salamat po. Our department heads. Allow me to read the Certificate of Recognition. Republic of the Philippines, Department of Education, Region 2, Division of Cauayan City, Isabela, Cauayan City National High School. Certificate of Recognition is proudly presented to, for his or her commendable effort and exceptional achievement in our mission program of the school year 2025-2026. Given this 27th day of March 2026 at Cauayan City National High School Stakeholders Gymnasium, Cauayan City, Isabela, Philippines.
And now let us warmly welcome and celebrate the three Academies Awards together with their proud parents under the guidance of the advisor, Ma'am Johanna P. Acker. With honor, Jelena Elaine Abbey. And conduct awardee, Marlumi and Mamuri. Proud parents, Mr. and Mrs. Alfredo Mamuri.
Solomon D. Binayan, with honors and conduct awardee. Proud parents, Mr. and Mrs. Jimbo Binayan.
With honors and conduct awardee, Maria Charity O. Bucanille. Proud parents, Mr. and Mrs. Roger Bucanille.
Isabel G. Butal, with honors and conduct awardee. Proud parents, Mr. and Mrs. Ronald Butal.
Cristel L. Cancelan, with honors and conduct awardee. Proud parents, Mr. and Mrs. Ronald Cancelan.
Chloe A. Sales, conduct awardee. Proud parents, Mr. and Mrs. Roman N. Sales.
Aljay L. Lumawi, conduct awardee. Proud parents, Mr. and Mrs. Lumao.
Hindi mo lang pinicturan doon at picture sila doon.
Kalimutan ko nga.
Na, Bumili na, nauna si Chloe,